This right here is the MacBook Neo. This is by far the cheapest MacBook I have ever bought, and I just can't wait to unbox this and set it up. Here's the top of the box. We have the MacBook Neo, which looks pretty nice right over here. You do not feel this over here. It is just printed rather than like the iPhone boxes where you can actually feel it sticking out. Looking over here, we have MacBook Neo. On this side, Apple logo, MacBook Neo, as well as Apple logo, which are all in the silver color because this is like the silver version of it. Looking here at the back, this is the base model, so it has just the 256 gigabytes of storage and the 8 gigabytes memory. 13-inch MacBook Neo, 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU, 13-inch diagonal liquid retina LED backlit display, 2 USB-C ports, headphone jack, Magic Keyboard, 2.7 pounds, so it's only 1.2 kilograms, which is actually super light. Designed by Apple in California, product of Vietnam. We also have the pull tabs over here, so let's start off with this top one. Once those are done, let's open it up. Feels so nice to lift the Apple top cover box thing off. It comes off so easily. You have this circle over here, which is interesting because there's nothing like sticking out, but I guess it needs to represent the Apple logo. Let's go ahead and put that here. We have hello on this, which is pretty hard to see unless you have like the perfect lighting. That looks super cool. Look at that. That's something new. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Put it here on the side. We have all these holes here. I'm assuming for the feet that the MacBook has. Designed by Apple in California. MacBook Neo. Say hello to your MacBook Neo. It feels so weird not saying MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. But yeah, this is the MacBook Neo. And because this is the 256 gigabyte version, you don't get Touch ID. Here we have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which is like the suede material, which is the woven material. And lastly, we have the USB-C power adapter, which is 20 watts. Nothing else here. Let's go ahead and put all this aside and take a look at the MacBook Neo. Here's the top of it. We have the Apple logo right over here. You can feel this, the transformation between it. It feels like the Apple logo is sticking up a little bit. Not sure if the camera can pick that up. Here on the left side, we have 2 USB-C ports, headphone jack, and this could be like a speaker. Looking here at the front, we have the lid to open the MacBook Neo. And then we have the same thing over here on the right side, nothing else. And then here it is in the back where we got our exhaust over here. Let's open this up for the first time. It's gonna be pretty interesting to see how it will be to get used to the white keyboard versus having like black keyboard. And that being said, there's also a thing where it looks like we don't have any backlit. I don't know if we can turn that on from the settings, but right off the bat, there's not any backlit. So that's something I'm not super happy about because that's one of my favorite things of the MacBooks, even from back in the days, that you had a backlit keyboard. So I'm not sure. I have a feeling there's no backlit keyboard on this. Well, let's go next over here. Gonna select the language. I'll go with English. The trackpad feels super nice. Select your country or region. Will be Canada. Here you can transfer your data to this Mac, or you can just set up as a new. That's what I will go with. Accessibility, not now. I'm gonna go with my Wi-Fi network real quick. Type in the password. That's it, join. And typing on the keyboard, it feels super premium. You also don't have the notch, which is a cool thing, I guess. I got really used to having a notch, but this is also pretty nice. I mean, again, I can't complain too much with the price tag that we're getting. I'm gonna update later for the software. Data and privacy, let's hit continue. I'll name this MacBook. Let's see if we can actually skip putting a password. I don't think you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's hit continue. Apple really does care about the privacy. I mean, you could see there, like there's no way you can set up this MacBook without having a password. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool because they want you to protect your files and everything like that from the beginning. So you can't just skip this step. I just finished creating the account. You can sign into your Apple account. I'll do that later, so I'll go set up later. And then I'll hit skip, terms and conditions, enable locations and services. Go ahead and do that. hit continue. Analytics, I'm gonna not share anything. Screen time, you can set this up later or go continue. Here we have Apple Intelligence. Let's hit continue. Summarize notifications. I'll do that setup later, because the thing I noticed with the notifications, sometimes it just says completely something else when it tries to summarize it. So I'm not gonna be using that. Here we have Siri, I'll set up later, and your MacBook is ready for Firebolt. That's turned it on. Gives me a code here. I'm gonna keep that. Let's hit continue. And then you also have the dark mode, auto, and then light mode. So let's go with light, and then let's go with update Mac automatically. And it looks like welcome. That's all there is to it to set it up. It is super easy. Get started. And there's our MacBook Neo all set up right over here. Let's go over here, lock screen, and then there's any Touch ID, so I have to type it in like this. And then that's how that is. If I click on this, it automatically locks it, which is pretty cool. I could have just done that without having to go through the settings. Now, I do want to see if there is backlighting on this keyboard. Let's go over to the system settings, and there's a few tweaks I want to do. Starting with the trackpad, from the beginning, it looks like you can just tap. As you can see, you actually have to click it. So I want to make sure that that option is there. I guess I'll go from here. I'm not sure why it didn't pop up, but there it is. So you have all the gestures, and there it is. Tap to click. See this? How it's not doing it? You have to click it. But now, if I just do this, I just tap and we'll go back. Now let's scroll down to the keyboard and see where there is one. I just really have a feeling there isn't one, because it should have just turned on. Yeah, I don't see any keyboard backlight. So the MacBook Neo does not have a keyboard backlighting. So if you're working in the dark, it might be pretty hard to type if you're not used to a keyboard, or if you're just trying to figure out where one of that slash keys are at. So that's something to keep in mind. Other than that, this was the quick unboxing and setup of the new MacBook Neo, the cheapest Apple MacBook. So thanks for watching. See you next time.